Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Okay, thank you. Everyone sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Is everyone okay today?
No!
Why?
I'm so tired. I'm so sick.
So sick. Everyone eat already?
No!
No. Okay, so to prevent ourselves from being very tired and sleepy, we will start our class by singing a song and dancing. Wow! Follow the video.
Hey, mommy, this look like me.
Turn around. Left. Right. Okay, that's all. Congratulations everyone.
Benar.
Tired already? Okay, take a breath. Everyone sit down. Take a breath.
Breathe in. Keluar. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in.
Okay, so everyone look up here. What do teacher bring and we have in front of here? Okay,
Water.
someone tell me. Water, okay, right. How much?
3 water.
3 water bottles, correct.
Cylinder.
Cylinder, correct. What is this name?
Measuring cylinder.
Yes, measuring cylinder.
Wow.
Okay. So, we first look at the measuring cylinder. We have 2 same measuring cylinder, but there's a major difference in both measuring cylinder. What is the difference?
The round, or we need to call in Malay is the perpuluhan.
Yeah, so this one is what? What unit? This one is one unit. Okay, so now teacher want to demonstrate with the different unit is going to have the meaning of different unit or is it going to be the same?
Same answer.
So here teacher have 1 liter
Desa.
water bottle. Desa water bottle. Pour into a 1 liter measuring cylinder. Dan
Cukup.
how much is it?
1
liter.
liter.
1 liter exactly. And then here we have 2, but this is in milliliter unit. And then 1 bottle here we have 500 milliliter. So let us see. These 2 500 milliliter gonna have the same amount of 1 liter water.
Betul ke?
Lebih sikit. Halal lah, halal. Lebih sikit tak gaduh.
Okay, so what is the unit and measurement?
1,000 milliliter.
If we compare side by side, is there any difference?
No!
So what we learn today is
Different answer.
Yes.
Same answer.
So 1 liter is equal to
1,000 milliliter.
Okay, correct. Okay, so for you, Pak. Okay, so our previous class we have learned about taking unit from 1 from liter to milliliter. But in your exercise, I realized that you have been making a lot of mistakes in exchanging. So I've created a new tools. This is what I call the unit wheels. Using this wheel, we will be able to see what is the amount of liter and its counterpart in milliliter units. So let teacher explain how to use. Okay. Teacher draw in front how the wheel look like.
Wow, hey.
Bro. Must be the satu C buat and touch the teacher pen.
What?
Push. Ya, perfect lah.
Besarnya. Perfect round.
Perfect siapa? Teacher satu jual perfect siapa?
You need to practice a lot.
But how to practice? But it needs satu C.
So in this wheel, there are 4 big wheels with number. So the first one here will be written, for example, is 1, 6, 7, 9. And then over here it will be upside down. 1, 6, 7, and 9. Okay, so how do we use this tool? So over at the left side, there is a point form over here, like in the measuring cylinder just now. So there is a point, and then over at the left hand side is in a liter format, liter format, and over at the right hand side is a milliliter format. Milliliter format. So 1.679 liter is equal to
1,679 milliliter.
Yes, that's how to use this meter unit changing wheel. So I will pass this around. Everyone can have a look and understand how it is being used.
How long do you make this circle?
Yesterday night I no sleep.
Really or not? So the view is tiny, maka got pictures lebar. Oh, I see. He say what? I want to. Teacher, may I go to toilet? No. Thank you, teacher.
Ada habis.
9 minutes. 9 minutes again.
We are key first before we start our next lesson. Okay, everyone understand how this works, alright?
Yes.
Besides your problem with unit changing, you also have problem when doing multiplication of milliliter and liter, both milliliter and liter, and in two numbers. What I mean is multiplying it by two numbers. For example, 26 times 1 liter and 36 milliliter times 38, like that. So teacher also has been creating tools for you guys to prevent and avoid mistake in future calculation. So this is the tool. We give everyone one, like I said, and then later teacher will explain in the front with a digital form of the tool, how to use it. Okay. When using this tool, everyone need to have a paper. Fold it in half and later teacher will explain. Okay, paper be fold in half. Those paper not folded in half. Yes. Fold in half.
So this is very jahat.
What is jahat in English?
Very bad.
Very naughty. Okay, let's start with step 1 and 4. Put your paper at the back side behind the 1 and 4. Okay.
With step 1 and 4.
Okay.
This is I understand.
I don't understand.
Very bad. Very bad.
Assalamualaikum. Okay, sudah put ready.
So smart.
What do
Okay. Give one question.
I didn't understand.
Who want to give question? What little, what little? 7 liter.
932.
532 milliliter. What to times by? 13. Betul kan? Right.
Yes, good.
Okay, so first you need to write down the question as following. Teacher show in front. Ready? Ready? Okay. And then we flip to the next page. Step 2. Flip to the next page. Step 2. On the top.
Baik.
Step 2.
Okay, so when you flip to the step 2 page, the other unused box is being covered. So this will prevent you from being mistakenly put a wrong number in the wrong place.
Okay.
So number 1 is covered, so we cannot see this. Later we do number 1. Okay, so first 3 times 2 is what? 3 times 3? 9. 3 times 4? 3 times 7? 20? Okay, after we finish with our step 2, flip back to step 2 and put on the step 3. Why you need to open the step 2 first?
I'm sorry, teacher. Mistake.
Okay, so one mistake everyone is doing that I realize is when multiplying the second number, everyone start the multiplication over here. That is actually wrong. For example, when we multiply 1 times 2, we put number 2 over here. 1 times 7, put number 7 over here. So later this will end you up with a wrong answer. Therefore, over here teacher has removed the box, so you will never do that mistake again. Okay, now we start calculating. 1 times 2? 2. 2.
5, 7.
5. 7.
I do finish teacher.
Very bad.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
After you finish with step 3, open back to the step 1 and 4. That one 4. Okay.
What's that? What's that?
1 and 4. Okay. So now your second part is being fulfilled by your number that you are going to do what? Plus. So addition, add down the numbers. So 6. Over here, if there's no number, it means 0. Here also, if there's no number, it means 0. Okay, 6 plus 0. 6. 9 plus 2. 11. So when doing 11, you put your first number on top, your second number down here, 11. And then 5 plus 3 plus 1. 9. 5 plus 1.
6.
6. Over here. 1 plus 0.
1.
6, 7.
What is this?
6, 7. 6, 7.
9. Okay, so can everyone see the green bar? In your box there's a blank in there. So this green part is needed to be moved over here. So 0, 6, when we move over here, it's become 0 and 6. And then we can erase this part. Maybe you cannot erase because we will use your pen, but never mind. Okay, so
9,
and
7.
then what we will need to do below here is to plus also. 6 plus 0, just copy back again, below. And then this one, 1 plus 6.
7.
Super. 9.
7. 6, 7 lah teacher.
So I already got the answer. Your final answer is what?
6, 7.
7 liter. 600 and 1 600 and 960
7. 196.
97
Okay, everyone understand already how to use this?
Yeah.
Okay, next. We will be doing example with using this, the unit wheels and the multiplication book. Later, teacher will write some question on in front, and then teacher will pick someone to do it using the tools that teacher has created. Okay, so the question is that the answer? Okay, so teacher want Tuan Arif, you write the answer in front.
Tuan Arif.
Okay, so since the question starting with liter, so we need to change it to liter and milliliter using this word. Sorry, change it. 53.621 liter. Okay, and then Arif can start to calculate that over there, and I will show everyone how Arif do the changing of unit using these tools.
First 3 liter.
What is that?
And then 621. And times is 1 3. At first we need to times with 3. And 1 times 3 is 3.
Everyone needs to do on their paper also.
2 3 is 6. And 6 3 is 80. Ayo. happy. That's it.
Oh.
What the ball?
And 1, 2 is 2. And 2 is 2 is 4. And 6, 2 is 12. And 3, 2 is 6.
And then you go to
Step 4.
and yeah.
And 3 times 0 is 3.
Plus
3 plus 0 is 3. 6, 2 is 8.
is 4. What is what?
And 4 is 12. 1, 2 is 3. 4. 4. 1. 6, 0 is 9. And 6. And bring the 1, 4 into the bottom.
Into the representative spot. Yeah.
And plus again. 3, 8, 2.
8, 2, 3.
4 and 12.
And
8. So the answer is 83 liter to 83 milliliter.
Wah, congratulations.
Okay, so now teacher want another example, but we now will start with milliliter on top. So okay, someone volunteer. Does anyone want to volunteer? Come up using the tools, using the wheels to find the liter and milliliter.
Farming better.
Right, farming. Get the tools.
Then do first and then doing the same steps as RSC.
I want to hear. So 4 to 6 months. So we change the 2 liter, right?
Yes, change into liter and milliliter.
There are milliliter.
Both liter and milliliter. In the same time.
So here 4, right?
Yes, right.
2, 6, 1.
6 to 1.
6 to 1. 6 to 1.
Oh, I wrong. 6 to 1.
Yeah, bro.
Di darah duit 47.
Multiply, saudara.
Okay, so 1767 6 times 7. Nah, 12 bandar 24. You ini 2 here or here?
Down there.
Yes, right, kan? 4, 7. 2, 5. Easy, easy. Step 3, we times with 4, right?
Yes.
1, 4, 4. 2, 4, 8. 6, 4, 9, 4. 4, 4, 16. Easy. So, before we plus, we need to play. Or we fit into play first, eh? Snaps.
Blank, right?
0.
Yes.
Okay. I understand. 7, 8, 5, 8, 8, 8, okay, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Here, you put it here. So right here, 7. 2 here.
Oh, terus je.
No another step. 8 plus 7, 15. 9 plus 2, 11. 2.
Easy, peasy, lemon squeezy.
Yes, correct answer.
So thank you, Wahid. Now we go on to our next activity, which is dance. Okay. Our next activity is not a game, but it's not boring. It's an acting game. Where
you are need to acting.
two person will be chosen as an actor. They will need to act in front. The teacher will be the narrator. But when there's a script, we just read the script. So teacher choose film, and start from Afam as the actor.
Then we just stop here.
Pergi.
One with one. Start of the
In that acting story, there's a question, activity question about winter and winter that you guys need to listen, and then later on you need to calculate up the answer. Okay, are you ready to start the story?
Yes, I'm Ahna.
Prepare your calculation, guys.
I don't want to be shitty.
Okay. In the evening, Amir and his young sister, Siti, were at a home preparing for a family party. The house was busy and they were assigned to prepare drinks for the guests. Amir stand holding a knot when Siti stand beside him, looking curiously.
Siti, Mom said we need to prepare drinks. We need 80 bottles of 1 liter 250 milliliter juice.
Siti moved closely to read the notes.
Okay, but how much is that in total?
Amir paused, shook his head and looked confused.
I think we need to calculate first.
Both of them turned around and slowly to face the audience and showed on the whiteboard 1 liter 200 milliliters. And then Siti suddenly raised her hand, and if she had an idea.
Wait, before we go to the store, let's check what we already have at home.
Good idea, Siti. Let's go.
They walked to the kitchen, and then Siti opened a cupboard and started checking inside. He left behind slightly.
Amir, I found some green here.
Amir walked quickly to her side.
How many do we have, Siti?
Siti pretended to count carefully.
We have 16 bottles of 2 liters and 500 milliliter juice.
Amir stepped back and started thinking, looking seriously.
Mom said we only need to buy more if it is not enough.
So, how do we know if this is enough?
Both of them turned to the audience again and showing the 2 liter 500 milliliter bottle and 16 of them.
First, we find how much we need. Siti?
Then, we find how much we have. Then we go back!
Let's go!
Siti, go!
Okay, thank you for the actors. And you can go back.
Good actress.
Good actor,
Yeah, Amir Ahnaf here.
1, 2, 3.
So, in this situation, we are asked to count times 1 liter 200 milliliter, 16 motol of it, and 2 liter 500 milliliter, 16 motol of it. So, both of these questions, teacher ask you to bring home and calculate. Tomorrow in class, teacher want to see what is your answer.
Using this multiplication technique, sir.
Yes, correctly.
Can I bring this at home?
Yes, that is the tips from teacher.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
To conclude the class, what we have learned today is that there are many ways of calculating, and that there are many mistakes that can be happening. So we need to be focused when doing things. For example, in multiplication, we need to remind ourselves what is the mistake to avoid ourselves from doing that mistake. That's all for our class today. Thank you, class.
Let's go!
Okay, sit down.